Hey Sam, I've been diving deep into SEO strategies lately. Did you know about using low competition keywords and long tail keywords? Oh, really? Tell me more. I'm trying to up my SEO game too. Alright, so imagine this. Instead of targeting those highly competitive keywords that everyone's fighting over, you focus on those little gems with low competition. Makes sense. But wouldn't those be too obscure? Not necessarily. They're more specific, so they attract people who are really looking for exactly what you offer. That's where long-tail keywords come in. They're like specific queries people type in. Like what? For example, instead of best coffee shop, you might use best cozy coffee shop with free Wi-Fi in downtown. It's more targeted and less competitive. Got it. And how do you find these? There are tools like SEMrush or even Google's Keyword Planner. They help you see how many people are searching for certain terms and how tough the competition is. So it's about finding that sweet spot, keywords that people search for but aren't overly contested. Exactly. And once you find them, you can sprinkle them naturally in your content, your blog posts, product descriptions, even your meta tags. That sounds doable. And it should help with ranking higher in search results, right? Absolutely. Google likes when your content matches what people are searching for. It's all about relevance. Alright, I'm sold. I'll start integrating these low competition keywords into my next blog post. Awesome. Let me know how it goes. It's a game changer once you get the hang of it. Thanks for the tips, Alex. You're always ahead of the curve. Just trying to keep up with the ever-changing world of SEO. Well, I'm off to apply these strategies. Catch you later, Alex. Good luck, Sam. Talk to you soon.